Hey guys, today's video will be a bit longer as I'm going to show you full makeup tutorial. See my face now. I'll start with preparing my hair. I'll take all my hair at the back and make a bun so that no hair comes out and distract my makeup. Now I will clean my face with the help of a cleanser. You can use a toner or anything that you like. See, this is the way I'm just cleaning my face and preparing my face for the total makeup. See, the dirt has come out. The next process is, what I do is I apply aloe vera gel. This creates a moisturizer as well as a base to my face before application of the makeup. I'm using Patanjali aloe vera gel. You can use any one of your choice. The next step is I'm using the Pond's BB cream. You can use a foundation also, but I will do the makeup a bit lighter, so the Pond's BB cream will be fine. I'm applying it on the areas where I have darkness, I have some spots, uneven skin tone. All this portion I'm applying this BB cream. See, I'm not applying it totally, I'm applying it in patches. Do it just the way I'm doing. And after application, you have to wait till the cream dries. See, these are the portions I have unevenness, black spots, black tinge. See, above my eyes also I'm having some black tinge. The skin color is not even, so I'm just applying it in patches. I know I'm looking a bit ugly, but bear with me. At the end you will love the makeup. Just have a look. I'm applying it in patches. Let it dry. See, now it's done, and I'm using a beauty puff in order to blend the cream that I have used. You have to blend it really well so that there are no lumps or no patches. You can apply this cream on your neck also. I'm just showing it to you for the face. See, this way you have to blend it to uniform. The next step is the eyebrow. I'm using an eyebrow pencil, a local eyebrow pencil, to the portions where I have very thin and very sparse eyebrows. Usually I like to have a broader eyebrow. I'm giving a shape to it. Just have a look. You can give any shape that you like. You can make it thin also. Now the next is use eyeshadow. See, I'm using it of Blue Heaven. I'm applying a shade which is quite near to my skin tone. Since I'm doing it for a daytime makeup, it's not a party makeup, it's just a light daytime makeup. See, I'm using the eyeshadow applicator brush and I'm applying it over my eyelids. Just apply it very well so that the color is even. Do this to your another eye also. I usually just pull the side of my eye so that it becomes tightened and I can apply it well. Otherwise, what will happen, you will get some difficulty in doing so. Now after applying that, I will apply another shade of a golden eyeshadow between my eyebrow and the eyelids. Now the next part will be the eyeliner or kajal. Just apply it the way I am doing. I don't use a gel eyeliner because I have a problem that whenever I open my eye after applying the liquid eyeliner, it touches the upper skin of the brow, so that becomes a mess. So that is the reason I use a pen or pencil like eyebrow. I've got it from L18. You can get it from any of the brands. There are thousands of brands in the market: Lakme, Revlon, anything of your choice. You can make a wing also. I've just shown you the wing. You can avoid that also and apply it to your waterline under your eye. Do it very carefully because you can get hurt. Do it slowly, but if you apply it with the eyebrow, this pencil or pen, then you can do it evenly. See, it's looking good now. The eyes are looking good. Now the next thing is contouring. I'm using it of faces. The contouring helps us to bring the sharpness of our face. See, my nose is a bit blunt, so I am going to make it a bit sharp, and my jawline is bit roundish. So I would like to give a pear shape to my face. So I'm applying it that way. And you can apply this contouring according to your face type. So you can ask me in the description box, in the comment box, like how to apply the contour of the shape of face you have. I will give you the answer. Apply the darker shade and to the tip of your this nose, and just sidewise you apply the lighter shade. Do this to your jawline also. Just put the darker shade at the borders and then the lighter shade after, just between that, and then you use a beauty sponge and blend it really well. Do the blending upwards, just upwards, don't do it downwards, otherwise it will not be a good makeup evenness. See, now I will apply a face powder. I'm using it Maybelline Fit Me face powder. This is a good one, and this will also cost really low. You see, I'm applying it to all the portions there where I have applied the contour, so that it will create an evenness to the skin. Apply it to your forehead, apply it to your cheeks. You can apply it to your neck also, because the skin color of your neck as well as your face would not match. Yes, then the next step is the lip color application. I'm using the lipstick of Amway Attitude. See, the color is very beautiful. It's a wine color, but I don't use so dark a color, so that is the reason. First of all, I'll use the lipstick to border my lip with the help of a brush. I'm using a painting brush, that is, I think the number is 1 or 0.0, whatever it is, I have to say it. So use a very thin bristles brush, so that it gives a very good border to your lip. If you want to give a this broader look to your lips, then apply it to outer side of the border. This will give make your lips, if you have a thin lip, this will give this broader finish to your lips. So after that, just apply it to the whole lip. You'll get a very good lipstick color. See how is it looking. The next step is the blush. Yes, I use the pink blush because I think this pink color suits everybody. Everyone looks really good with the pink color. So while applying the this blush, just pout your face and apply to the cheekbones, then your nose, little bit of your nose, then to your forehead. Just make an even tone to your face. See how attractive the face is looking now. I don't want to give a very strong makeup, so I'm using a bit of this blush. Then I will give a gloss to my lips, so I'm using a gloss over the lipstick. See, now it's looking really nice. Then last but not the least is the highlighter. I'm using it of faces highlighter. Use the brush the way you have used this blush. Just use the highlighter to your cheeks, then your nose, cheeks and nose. This highlighter gives you a very golden glow. Yes, this will create a glow to your face. See, it's done. Now see the final look. Tell me, how am I looking after the makeup? If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section. Guys, also have a look at before and after picture. Now make a difference and judge how is it. Thank you.